Hello and welcome back. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. It's Friday, that means it's date night. For those of you who might be new to my channel, every Friday I post a creative date idea from a book that I published called 101 Creative Dates. Back in college, I had the idea to write this book as a way to help people come up with ideas or to just give people ideas for dates, creative dates. And kind of the age-old date is dinner and a movie, or nowadays Netflix and chill. Say no to Netflix and chill and do something more creative. And so this book of ideas is very helpful for people who want to do something different out of the ordinary or kind of a twist on the ordinary. So that leads us to this date, date number 41, Fondue Party. This falls into the group date category. And what you do with a fondue party, I love food. As most of you know who follow my my blog and my channel know that I love cooking, and I do a lot of cooking on my cooking show. And so fondue party is along those same lines. And the idea for this is you can come up with a couple different fondues to do. You could do like a chocolate fountain. Depending on where you look, you can pick up chocolate fountains for fairly cheap. I think $20, $30. You can get a chocolate fountain, and then you get the candy melts that you use. And what it'll do is it'll melt the chocolate, and then it'll just kind of like be a fountain of chocolate that you could dip things in. And you could dip like fruit in there. You could dip, cookies, things of that nature in the chocolate fondue fountain. Another thing of fondue that you could do is like a cheese fondue, and have different types of cheeses that are melted, and then have like crackers and meats and different things that you dip in the cheese. Really, really fun, really cool idea, something different. There's a restaurant here in Phoenix area called La Fondue. It's very expensive, but that's the whole idea over there, is just a bunch of fondue related items that you go there, you pay a bunch of money, and you sit there and you dip things and you eat it. It's very good, but very expensive. So the whole idea is to bring that home and do it at home with your group of friends, different couples, with your spouse. You could be like a married couples night, or maybe this is your first time with somebody, like a blind date or something, and you want to be in a familiar area with friends. Whatever it might be, it could work pretty much in any circumstance. Maybe you want to be a little more romantic and just be you and your significant other. Who knows? So that's a cool little idea. Date number 41, Fondue Party. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy dating, everyone. Take care.